Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a performance and repair report from Mark in Alabama. That's Anytone AT-6666. Mark got the toasted FQP 13N10s replaced with ERF 2030 pluses, upgraded the voltage regulator as well, and did my tuning alignment to it. 5-watt slug, RF power all the way down. You requested about 2 watts, there's about 1.5 watts. Over the 100-watt scale, we'll roll it up. About 9 watts all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. About 54 bird. Peak power. Hello. Man, about 110 watts. Let's go over to sideband real quick. 100-watt slug. Hello. At 98 watts. Alright, Mark, it's ready to come back to you. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump, bump.